Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next theorem, let W circle of the subset W of the vector space V over the field F is a subspace of the dual space of the vector space V over the field F. Suppose W is a subset of the vector space V over the field F, and for zero linear functional, that is, zero is a linear transformation from the vector space V to the field F, then the zero linear functional, the image of every element of W under the zero linear functional is equal to zero element of the field. Therefore, the zero linear functional is contained in W circle. That is, W circle is non-empty subset of the dual space of the vector space V over the field F. Let pi1 pi2 be another two linear functional contained in the W circle. Then according to the definition, the image of every element of W under the linear mapping linear functional phi1 is equal to 0, and the image of each element W of the subset W of the vector space V over the field F under the linear functional pi2 is also equal to 0. And for any two scalar alpha beta, alpha pi1 plus beta pi2 W is equal to alpha pi1 W plus beta pi2 W, according to a result that f t1 and t2 are linear transformation from the vector space V to the vector space W. Then t1 plus t2 u is equal to t1 u plus t2 u, where u is an element of the vector space V over the field F. Since the linear function are linear transformation, and also by another result, the scalar multiplication of the linear transformation is also a linear transformation. Therefore, alpha pi1 is also a linear transformation. Similarly, beta pi2 is also a linear transformation. That is, the alpha pi1 and beta pi2 are linear functional. Therefore, according to this result, alpha pi1 plus beta pi2 W is equal to alpha pi1 W plus beta pi2 W, and the image of W under the linear functional or linear transformation is equal to 0. Therefore, the phi1 W is equal to 0 and pi2 W is also equal to 0. That is, pi1 and pi2 are the element of W circle, which is also equal to, the result of this is also equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That is, the image of W under the linear functional alpha pi1 plus beta pi2 is equal to 0 for each W contained in the subset W. That is, alpha pi1 plus beta pi2 is an element of W circle. Therefore, the W circle satisfy the condition of the vector space over the field F, and the W circle is a subset of the dual space of the vector space V over the field F. Therefore, W circle is a subspace of the dual space of the vector space V over the field F.